clear the front, Nick? You know why I didn't? Nick, I tried to put the wood in front of the fire, that way people won't step on it. You don't need a headlamp anymore. Oh yeah, you do. You got the camera.
We now just got a fire started.
Here we go. One match fire again.
Look at those flames.
Now,
Excellent.
since we kind of got it going, this wood right here, we want this wood to get going. This wood to get burned, this big one. We want this one to dry out, so we'll put this one like this. Is that big one right there?
Oh, this is so cool.
Then I'll feed the flame from underneath, Nick. Some little pieces, just keep it going. One at a time, I'll put them in there. Just to keep it going, you know? Get some small pieces.
Nice.